centered and strong like a tree. Remember, Buddha found enlightenment sitting next to a tree. If you do tree regularly, people around you will find peace in your presence.